What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are leaving the world of pristine, climate-controlled workshops, diagnostic laptops, and overnight parts delivery far behind. We are heading deep into the bustling, chaotic, grease-stained alleyways of Pakistan.
I love Pakistan! I will sacrifice my life for Pakistan! I love Pakistan!
To meet perhaps the most resourceful, resilient, and absolutely ingenious mechanics on the face of the planet. If you think you know what it takes to rebuild an engine or fix a catastrophic mechanical failure, prepare to have your mind completely blown. We are talking about a culture of mechanics who can literally build anything, fix anything, and keep machinery running decades past its expiration date, using little more than basic hand tools, scrap metal, and sheer human willpower. To understand the Pakistani mechanic, you have to understand the environment they operate in. In the West, if your car throws a rod or cracks a block, it's often a financial total loss. You call a tow truck, scan the VIN number, and order a factory-fresh replacement part that arrives tomorrow. In the roadside workshops of Karachi, Lahore, or Rawalpindi, that concept simply doesn't exist. There is no throwing it away. Necessity is the mother of invention, and here, necessity is an absolute tyrant. These mechanics are working in intense heat, often right on the dirt roadside, amidst heavy traffic, sometimes without consistent electricity. Yet in these conditions, they perform mechanical miracles that would baffle a team of MIT engineers. This unique capability is often summarized by the word Jugaad. It's a concept prevalent across South Asia, roughly translating to a hack, an innovative fix, or making something happen using meager resources. But when applied to Pakistani mechanics, Jugaad becomes an art form. It's not about cutting corners to save money. It's about survival engineering. It's about looking at a pile of mismatched scrap metal and seeing a functioning water pump, a generator, or a vehicle chassis.
Let's look at the most iconic example, the legendary Pakistani cargo trucks. Those jingle trucks, beautifully decorated with intricate art. Underneath that art are often chassis, like older Bedfords that date back to the 1950s or 60s. By all logical standards, these trucks should have rusted into the earth decades ago. They carry loads double or triple what they were rated for, up some of the most dangerous mountain roads in the world. How do they keep running? Because of the mechanics. When a crankshaft snaps on one of these beasts in a remote area, you can't just order a new one from England. So, what do? They weld it back together. They will take a broken crankshaft, hand grind it, weld it, lathe it, and balance it right there on the side of the road until it spins true again. I've seen videos of mechanics re-boring an engine block sitting on a dusty sidewalk, using a boring machine that looks 50 years old, achieving tolerances that keep that engine running for another 200,000 miles. They're essentially performing open-heart surgery in a sandstorm, and the patient survives every time. They don't use CAD software or digital micrometers. They use an intuitive, almost supernatural understanding of metallurgy and combustion that comes from generations of hands-on experience. This knowledge is passed down through the Ustad-Shagird System, the master and apprentice. Young boys start working in these shops almost as soon as they can hold a wrench, learning not by reading manuals, but by feeling the heat of the engine, listening to the rhythm of the pistons, and watching the master solve impossible problems every single day. They are masters of fabrication. If a specific gear doesn't exist, they don't shrug and give up. They heat up a hunk of raw metal in a homemade forge and carve the gear teeth by hand. They can adapt a Toyota engine into a Ford chassis, hook up a Russian tractor transmission, and use a radiator from a completely different vehicle, making it all work together seamlessly. It's a masterclass in cross-platform engineering, born out of economic restrictions. It's easy to look at these dusty, chaotic workshops and dismiss them as primitive, but that is a massive mistake. What Pakistani mechanics possess is a raw, unfiltered mechanical intelligence that has been lost in many developed nations. They prove that technology isn't just about having the newest shiny gadget. Technology is the human mind's refusal to accept defeat against the physical world.
They are a testament to the idea that with enough skill, patience, and ingenuity, nothing is ever truly broken. It's humbling, it's inspiring, and quite frankly, it makes them some of the best damn mechanics on Earth.